Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn accessing HTML element by using getElementsByTagName using document object of Web API. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. In our previous video, we have learned about how to use getElementById. That means how to access the elements by using an ID. Now, the problem what we saw in the getElementById is whenever it finds the ID for the first occurrence, then that element will be returned and it will ignore the remaining elements. So, for example, you want to access h1, that means based on the name of this. So, if I want to get this element by using a tag name, there is a method called as getElementByTagName and just pass the tag name to this. So, it will give you array of elements. That is the reason you are using get elements. It's a plural, so you will be getting an array of elements. And now let me change this variable to elements and let me console this here as elements. Let me save this, and now you have two elements with this particular tag name, so you'll be getting two node elements. Let me go back, clear it off, reload. You can see two HTML collections. One is h1 with heading hash and h1 with one more heading, and you can see all the properties of that particular element. So in this way you can access the elements with that particular tag name. And now let me add one more paragraph here. Hi, I am a paragraph, and save this. If you want to access h1, it will access only that two elements. You can see here we are targeting only for h1. Now if I change this h1 to paragraph, we have only one element. And you may be thinking you will be getting one object. No, you will be getting an array, and inside that array you will be having one paragraph. So it will not bother about the nested elements also. For example, let me use div, and inside this div let me use h1 inner heading, and let me save this. If you target with this h1 or this h1, it will search whole body and it will fetch all the h1 tags and it will store in these elements. So let me back to the browser, clear it off, reload. If you see, we got one paragraph, and let me change this paragraph to h1, save this and go back, reload. So you got three HTML elements that is having h1 and h1 and h1. It will not bother at what level you have this h1. It will search whole body and it will fetch all the h1 tags wherever it is situated in your DOM. So that is how you can use get element by tag name. Get element by id will return you one element. Get element by tag name will return all the elements which are matching with that tag name. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.